In today's class, we will discuss the topic of corruption. 2. Consequences of corruption. 1. Denting the nation's image. Corruption tarnishes the international image of a nation. Transparency International has consistently ranked Nigeria among the 10 most corrupt countries globally, negatively impacting all its citizens. 2. Bringing hardship on average citizens. Corruption introduces unnecessary hardships for the average citizen, exacerbating socio-economic challenges. 3. Retarding economic growth. Economic growth is hindered in nations where corruption prevails, impeding progress and development. 4. Leading to poverty. A direct correlation exists between the prevalence of corruption and increased levels of poverty, perpetuating a cycle of economic disparity. 5. Discouraging honesty, integrity, and hard work. Corruption undermines values of honesty, integrity, and hard work, creating a culture that discourages merit-based success. 6. Leading to unemployment. The ripple effects of corruption extend to increased unemployment rates, hindering opportunities for economic advancement. Prevention of corruption. 1. Stiff punishment for corrupt leaders and officials. Implementing severe penalties for corrupt leaders and officials serves as a deterrent and reinforces accountability. 2. Confiscation of illicit wealth. Confiscating unlawfully acquired wealth disrupts the incentive for corruption, hitting corrupt individuals where it hurts the most. 3. Introduction of civic and moral instruction. Integrating civic and moral instruction into education fosters ethical values from an early age, shaping responsible citizens. 4. Rewarding honesty, integrity, and hard work. Creating systems that reward honesty, integrity, and hard work encourages a positive culture and discourages corrupt practices. 5. Empowering anti-corruption agencies. Granting agencies like ICPC and EFCC autonomy to administer justice on corrupt citizens ensures an effective and impartial legal process. 6. Discouraging display of wealth. Discouraging ostentatious displays of wealth helps combat corruption by challenging societal norms that glorify ill-gotten gains. Consequences of corruption on the nation. 1. Denting the nation's image. Nigeria's international reputation is marred by its association with corruption, negatively affecting its citizens on the global stage. 2. Retarding economic growth. Economic progress is impeded in a nation plagued by corruption, hindering the potential for sustainable growth. Consequences of corruption on individuals. 1. Leads to poverty. The prevalence of corruption directly correlates with increased poverty levels, disproportionately affecting individuals. 2. Causes hardship. Corrupt practices contribute to unnecessary hardships experienced by many individuals within the society. Consequences of corruption on society. 1. Increases social vices. A society plagued by corruption often experiences a surge in social vices, eroding the fabric of communal well-being. 2. Leads to unemployment. The repercussions of corruption extend to heightened unemployment rates, limiting opportunities for societal progress. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.